things real estate, money, money matters. All things real estate, money, money matters.
Welcome to my channel where we talk all things real estate and money matters. Today we're going to talk about establishing an online presence. This is very important when you're wanting to establish credibility, make your business legit, and also when you're trying to establish business credit. It's very, very important to have an online presence. You'll need it also for if you're wanting to get into real estate. And of course, you want to get that financing and maybe some credit so that you're able to take care of the renovations and repairs. In addition to that, it also helps with getting higher credit limits, which is really, really important when establishing business credit. Along with that, please be aware that whenever you're establishing business credit, the creditor will actually go online and check your presence, and they want to see you listed on 411.com in the directory. They also want to make sure that you have a Google My Business, a website, and a host of other things. With that being said, please don't forget to click that like button and share this information with others that you think can benefit from it. All right, so for starters, the first thing you would do is you want to go ahead and go to listyourself.net. Once you get to the website, obviously the page will look like this. And then what you want to do is just basically go here where it says get listed in the directory assistance. And just so you know, this is a free service to get yourself listed. Now, if you go to other websites, they'll actually charge you for it. But if you come to this website, there is absolutely no charge at all to do so. So what you want to do is here, you want to go ahead and put in your phone number. Make sure that you take the radio button and select business. And once you select that, it'll ask you for your business name. Along with that, you would just select whatever your business category is. The one that best describes your business, as well as the country, which is the United States. Just keep it there, as well as your address. Now, it's very important that you use a business address, not the actual address for where you reside, because they like to see that it is a physical work location. So we'll talk later. I'll be doing videos on how to establish a virtual business so that you're able to make sure that you have a physical location, so that you're able to list that in here as well. But you want to make sure that you're listing a physical location for your business. Along with that, your business email. Now, if you have not done so already, it is also important that you list the email that has your domain in it. So, because it carries much more weight if it's a domain at your business versus a Gmail, a Yahoo, AOL. Okay, so try to get away from using those as your email and establish yourself an actual domain. Plus, you want to have a website so that way you have online presence. So when you're applying for credit and they go out and do a manual search, those are the things they're going to be looking for. And that will determine whether your credit is approved or denied. So as you follow me, we will have additional videos that will walk you through the process of establishing your domain, email, as well as a website. And actually, I'll assist you with creating that as well. Next, you just want to confirm the email. Along with that, it's going to ask you to validate the telephone number listed. So what you want to do is either select call me, they'll call you direct, call me with a spoken code, or you can tell them that you have an auto attendant and there's an extension that they need to dial. Now, they're going to automatically give you a call once you click submit, or should I say add your listing, and they're going to verify that it is a valid number. Once you do that, you're good to go, and you'll be listed. Usually takes maybe up to 10 days or so to officially get listed, but they say 5 days, but just know that it can take longer. Okay, but I would go back and check the database system, you can kind of go back to the home page. And if you want to kind of just check to see if you're actually there, you can just kind of scan here for presence to make sure you're there. All right. So now the next thing you would want to do is hop on over to Google My Business. Right, and then as you can see you will see Google My Business, type it there, and then you'll see this here come up in the search. And what you want to do is just kind of scroll down. Now, if you've already set up the account, then obviously, and you have a Google presence, you will see your information here. So as you can see, mine is here. And if someone was to Google my business name, Fort Knox Property Management or Fort Knox Realty, and you click in, this is what they will see. So if they wanted to verify my presence, my business, all my information, as you can see, all of my information appears here, to the link to my website, address, and everything. So this is how you would want to appear. Okay, so what you would do is basically after you type in Google My Business, make sure you don't select the wrong one where it say biz. Yep, you just go where it says Google My Business Profile, get listed on Google. Once you click there, you'll see this screen here. Now, manage now. And it will actually take you into your business profile. If you don't have one set up, then you'll be able to set up one. If you do have one set up, then it will appear like this, and you would just basically select. And here, these tabs over here, you would just want to follow each one of them and complete each step. And once you do that, then you will, your business will appear on Google, and it'll appear the way that I showed you here. Once you complete those steps. And then if anyone is out there looking for you, credibility is there. All right. Well, that concludes our session for today. Our topic for next week is real estate investing strategies. So if you're interested in attending and getting an alert, please subscribe. This concludes our session for today. If you're interested in investing in Georgia, please check out our website for all your real estate needs. Thanks for watching.
All things real estate, money, money matters. All things real estate, money, money matters.